Central quick. Same way, yeah? I'm gonna hit Central near Hyde Park. And yeah, I'll follow you lot down there. Yo peoples, we back, we riding. I decided to plug the mic in because that was actually quite funny. Them two guys on the bikes, right? None of them have plates. But wait, first of all, welcome back to the channel, people. Just some gorgeous, that lottery's nice. Gorgeous UK weather. Got the bike out. Yeah, welcome back, man. I mean, if you guys haven't seen any of the last videos, I would advise you guys to watch and check them out. You got the reveal of this bike. We've got, what else do we have? Just got a lot of rides actually. Reveal of the bike, me taking it to Brands Hatch, a couple of other things as well, you know, just a mixture really. So yeah, I would advise you all to watch it, personally. So yeah. Yeah, so let's have to go this way instead. Yeah guys, we've got a mixture of stuff on the channel anyway. We've got tons of stuff actually. So yeah, we've got the reveal of the bike, this going to Brands Hatch, and a bunch of other rides, like literally just rides and rides. So yeah, but anyway, you guys, the bike has been great. The attention is getting is quite crazy, I'm not gonna lie. People seem to really love it, but I'm enjoying it a lot, and it's mega fast. Yeah, I've got a bit of a sore throat, so it's like I've got sandpaper in there. Anyway, yeah, those two guys I was running to, I was thinking, wait a minute, like they were riding crazy, and I'm thinking to myself, wow, like you don't care about cameras or anything. Then I realized they had no plates, and obviously you're really not going to catch bikes, like not like that anyway. But how they're riding, they did know how to ride, I can't lie. So there's no way you're going to catch them, no way. So yeah, it's kind of interesting. So yeah people, got a beautiful day, we're in London, Earls Court. Just been out and about, thought I'd quickly film a little bit of this. Hopefully the GoPro's battery lasts. So yeah guys, you guys need to comment on the videos, what do you guys want to see in these videos. But I've got a couple of stuff planned for this bike anyway, a bit of content. So yeah, weirdly I'm actually having some strange issue with the bike. It cuts out randomly sometimes at like 10 mph. So wait, let me just focus on so I can get through here. Yeah, I really don't give a monkey's ass. I need to get through all this. Bruh, these peds are coming out of nowhere. Oh my gosh, some peds right mad, I'm not gonna lie. Like, damn man. Yeah, they're crazy, some of these lot. cyclists can go through anything, man. They're lucky. So yeah, oh my gosh, yeah, guys. So we got a strike, right? This stupid, well, not stupid, right? But this train strike is just on the madness. Oh, she got a nice outfit on, boy. Yeah, this strike is just crazy anyway. Absolutely crazy. So it's causing pure traffic on the streets. If you guys don't know, it is crazy the amount of traffic that we're seeing. Yeah, it's stupendous. All of this because of the strike. Yeah. Yeah, people at this bus stop, boy. The joke is, how many of them are actually going to get on? That's the question. Yeah. How many of them are actually going to get on is the question. Yeah, this traffic. Yeah, guys, so I'm actually well used to this bike now. Like, the whole choppiness of it in traffic and all of that. Like, I'm legit well used to it. So I know exactly how this thing behaves. So yeah, I know what to expect from it. I know how this sucker behaves. Got this guy in front, let me not get too close. So yeah, so guys, this bike, right, I'm well used to the power now. Like, although around town I ride it in like sport mode with a lot of my settings turned lower, like traction and whatnot, only once it's heated up. Obviously my race mode right, I've got the wheelie control, the traction, everything is just like a low, like silly low. But the thing is, you notice the way the bike cuts the power when you got the safety features like onto a high level. This bike's electronics are absolutely incredible. Like, they are incredible, because this bike can keep you out of so much trouble if you don't know what you're doing. And I guess that's why the electronics, they're just super sophisticated, absolutely incredible. The traction control, good grief, that'll save your life if you get into a messy one. Like, I did get into a messy one, but it wasn't actually my fault. I hit like a gravity patch while I was riding just casual speed around the corner, and the back let go a bit and the traction just reeled me back in, which was nice. So yeah, that saved me. Yeah, these people do not drive very well, man. Jeez. Daft. Rah, this driver is moving. Yeah, but the thing is, I'm not even going to say nothing. If they do one wrong move, it will just end bad for them. So, yeah. Good grief. There's a lot of people out. So yeah, like I said, the electronics super sophisticated. They will save your life, right? And I'm not gonna lie, the electronics, the way they are now these days, it really helps like rookie riders get way more out of the bike than without the aids, because it just helps you a heck of a lot more than you would actually expect. So it's not a bad thing. When you get used to the bike, you can just tone it down a bit, I guess. But anyway, I like to ride the settings, or ride with my settings slightly lower once my tires are heated, because I kind of already know how the bike's going to behave. And I think I'm at the point where you just know how it will be. It's quite predictable at times, but it can still catch you out. Honestly, it can definitely still catch you out. There's no denying that. But it's fun, extremely fun. So yeah, performance, guys. This bike is blistering fast. Like, it is lightning quick. You have no idea. You cannot get bored of the performance of this bike. Impossible. Not possible, not possible, not possible. It is just stupid fast. Especially when you got your settings like toned down a bit to let it just be how it wants. Bike is lethal. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we're getting used to it. It's weird. I must be the only person who is commuting on a Ducati, which is kind of crazy. So yeah, mental stuff, right? Some people will probably say stupid. Damn, my leg's getting hot. Only thing I will say about this bike is it gets hot. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it gets very hot, like burn your leg hot. So I don't think these vents really do much that they added on the new models that I've got. I just think it's there to look cool. But like I said, it looks cool. I don't really care. I didn't buy this bike for comfort, so, or the heat or anything. I rode it because I bought this thing because it's a badass bike. You can have a lot of fun on it. So yeah, I don't mind. Yeah. We are in Battersea. Very nice area. Used to have a house down here, sold. I do like this area though, I'm not gonna lie to you. Why is there so many like, oh, there's tons of people out. Tons of people, tons. Could have taken a bit and just ridden through. I thought, no, let me not do that. Yeah, this area is full of people who always jog. Always jogging. Yeah, but nice area. So yeah, back to the bike. Back to the bike. Yeah, I'm loving this thing, I'm not going to lie to you. Fantastic bit of machinery. Oh, my leg is quite hot. Yeah, it's hot. I don't get why some people sit so far in the right side of the lane. I don't understand. Come on, let each other out, hurry up. Jeez. Take 10 years. I got places to go, yeah. Go. And I don't know about you guys, but I do not like to go fast through traffic like this in case someone just twitches, or like that guy wasn't paying attention. I was looking in his mirror, I could see where he was looking. He's looking to the right and drifting. Yeah, what last thing you want to do is not in a car. You don't want to rip your throttle or be going fast through this. Someone just suddenly decides to change direction, then bang, you end up being Superman for a few seconds to hit the ground, and you're just, yeah, pancake. I love when people move. I'm just like, damn, you lot are cool. You guys know about this bike life. Oh my days, is he serious? Man, you do not rate your life to do that. Jeez, this guy, nah man, that's risky. I can't lie, I feel like parents, because they don't have as much like training or back experience, I feel like they just do some random stupid stuff a lot of the time, which is uncalled for.